Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable live notifications on TikTok. So this will work on iOS and Android devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your TikTok profile page. And if you're unsure how to get to this section, just select the profile button in the bottom right. Now you want to select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select Notifications, and then scroll down here. Underneath Live, where it says Live Notification Settings, go ahead and click inside of here. So if you want to have them turned on, just toggle it to the right. As you see, they're all turned on here. If you want to disable live notifications, you can just click inside the oval one time to turn them off, and that is all you have to do. So they're on now, and now they're off. So pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.